So the first thing what we are going to do is we are going to put the glue on this line like this. ठीक है. Now here is a school line, ये वाली. उसके exactly attached we will attach this paper. उसके exactly align में ही डालना है paper. This will take time to stick because it's a thick paper. Nicely press it and allow it to get stick well. यहाँ पे पकड़ के रखो. Sticking will take time like this. Now there's another paper हम बोलेंगे that will again put glue here. और वो जो दूसरा पेपर है हल्का सा minute space we will keep between two. Alright. So we can attach our papers, photos and as much as we want. और इसको भी properly just press it nicely with your clean hands. You can also use your cloth to give a good pressure. And ये इससे ये वाला जो closing है ना ये इससे बाहर नहीं आना चाहिए. So you need to take care that. Here you go. अब now this shadow frame is there ready. So हम shadow frame को इस base पे इस तरह से attach कर देंगे. There you go. Everything needs to go straight, aligned and properly, smoothly without any hurry. अब ये करेंगे हम इसको बंद. ठीक है. But raw scrapbook is ready. The raw album is ready. Now I have taken this paper 1.5 inch into 3 inches. That will come. Either you can use a scoreboard to score it, or you can also just crease it nicely. ठीक है. अभी यहाँ पे approximately at 1/4 inch I'm creasing it. Not a 1 inch, not a 1/2 inch. So this will be attached exactly in the center like this. This way. So ये वाले portion की यहाँ पर I'm gonna put the glue. So only right now I'm just showing you the raw album. Here you go. So pages are very simple to make. After pages, we are creating this raw album. Now my raw album is ready. Before I start designing and decorating this one, let this thing get settled down and stick well. Coming to our cover. For the cover we have given you this resin frame and we also given some beads and accessories inside this one. So यहाँ पर हम पहले light out color लेंगे which we have given you in the kit. Either you can use your brush or a sponge to paint this one. So I think I have a handy brush here, so I'll be using the brush right now. But sponge is better. Kajal. So here I'm just taking this brush and painting my first base. As it's a textured area, so painting will not be that smooth. You need to be very patiently do it. इतना करने के बाद around the flower area I will be using my little wet sponge with the paint and will be just doing it here. ठीक है. Around the flowers, that's it. Not on the flowers, just around the flowers we are doing the blending with this light out shade. That's a dark color which is given in the kit. If you have a white shade, you can use it, but I think this looks nice and that's fine. So, करके with the wet sponge, I'm just merging it nicely in the flower. This is called just a slight merging, and that's all. So let's keep them aside. Allow it to dry nicely. Meanwhile, this is drying. We're going to put this one. There you go. So meanwhile, our this one is drying base. Here I have attached the frame. Inside this you can also add the photograph of the person whom you're gifting. So let's start here this pages first. He paints one illusion. Here I'm just starting with this one. You can choose dark light combination of the papers for this one. So I'm just taking this paper here. Now, second here I'll take slightly lighter shade of the paper, and make sure wherever you are sticking the paper the script is correct and the white margin is around everywhere. Nicely just press it up, और white dry brushing के लिए देना मेरे को एक बार के लिए. Then I'm taking here again a combination of a dark and a light shade. So everyone must have got a different color cardstock, different designs of cardstock, but that's absolutely okay. And we will just place pattern paper on each and every flap. Okay, this script is reversed, so you need to be careful. Taking this small strip here inside this one. This is optional, but I think this will disturb my entire project, so I'm not doing it. I'm just keeping it white. And now even in this area here I have cut out my pattern paper and I'm gonna attach this one here. Now accessories, lot of people were confused that we have not given and all. So here in this one, when you open it, so we have given you the accessories here, this one. Be careful with the magnets. Even if you're lost, you need to arrange it yourself. So you need to be very careful. These are very small parts. And now we will be doing a piercing out here with this accessories. Piercing. Taking any piercing tool and just a prick tool, prick it nicely and exactly in the center you can just make this hole. Now take your screw from the behind and just screw this one. So here your accessories hook is ready, and now you can hang it whatever you want it, like a metal chains, threads, elements, some charms, whatever you want, you can just hang it and design it. So we have just kept this one as simple and plain. Now taking these one small pocket here, which is optional, you can use it like this one, closing and opening on top of it. Here you can add a cash by folding it inside. So first I'm just sticking this one from the sides. You can add the pattern papers and everything. As I told you, this paper is slightly thicker, so it takes time to stick well. Out here, I'm just adding some glue and sticking this one. Alright, and then just close it. और यहाँ पे before we add anything, there's a magnet which I'm going to add it here. There are 2 magnets in this one. So the first magnet, I'm just adding it here. Table clean. And another magnet, we're directly gonna add it on our dry chipping area. Now in the kit we have not given white color because हमें थोड़ा सा ही इतना सा ही white color चाहिए, which is practically not possible to add it in the kit. So I've taken you can use any white shade you have. Extra हम यहाँ पे wash out कर देंगे. अब आप ये white color लेके optional है but ये करने से stand out हो जाएगा. So I'm just doing it on the texture area, slightly these white colors, even on the frames. Only this white shade is not part of the kit, so you can use any shade you have and just dry brush this nicely. Inside also I'm just doing it little dry brushing. There you go, ta-da! Now you can use the wax, it's optional. I'm just using it as I have. So you can, if you have, you can use it, otherwise just simply leave it. You can also use your golden paint with the dry brushing. Basically this area will not be much visible as our flowers and everything will be covered. Showing you how to use it, so just using in this one. Alright, now I'm going to stick this one on it like this. So यहाँ पे I need to make sure where my magnet will touch like this. So I'm just putting a drop of, first let's stick this one. Here you go. After sticking, I'm just putting a drop of glue on my magnet, and here you will just put the impression. Okay, so हमारा magnet यहाँ पे आएगा. Now magnet has a positive and negative both. So आपको वो consider करके इसको लगाना है. अभी मत stick करना. Let this thing get stick well. Now I am going to use these flowers. These flowers are there in the kit. इसको हमने पहले फसी कट किया है, neat cutting and then embossing. These videos I'll be sharing with you how to do that. So we already have this video available on our YouTube channel. You can use to see how to make these flowers. So using a glue gun, you can use anything you have as a glue medium. Fevicol definitely doesn't work, so either you can use a glue gun or a fabric glue, both works. So taking these flowers here, just as a small arrangement without disturbing my magnet area. I'm I'll just take one or two down like this. Just doing one side arrangement, not too many. Alright. Now cutting the strip here. Really, okay, I think I need to remove this flower here and I'll attach it this one. Okay, my magnet was not dried enough, so I need to allow my magnet glue to dry well. Meanwhile, in this one, we are going to add some beads. Lot of beads are given, so you can use them all. So in the bigger flower, I'm adding the bigger beads, and in the smaller ones, I will be adding my smaller beads. And these extra beads, you can just randomly stick them just to decorate like this. The small and a bit different sizes. And make your album more attractive and beautiful. So let's see this one. Here, of course, the photograph will come. Here is a magnet lock. You can also trim this bit little if you feel like it's coming out a lot. Here is this one. Oops, 1 second. So here you can add the cash. Here these are the 1 and 2 photograph please, third photograph please, and here you can add some small gifts, chocolates or anything you love it. And that's your Valentine album is ready. Ta-da! Hope you enjoyed and liked it, and don't forget to put the papers on this one as well as on the back side. So let's put the one side. My beads are coming off. It's not dried enough. So at the back side also we are going to add this paper. And look at this one. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to share your album with us. Bye bye. See you.